UIP 2030, a smart, globally competitive, and responsive state university. Mission: UIP is committed to producing globally competent and virtuous human resources, generating advanced knowledge, and developing innovative technologies for the sustainable development of the society. Core values: I for innovativeness, M for motivation, P for professionalism, E for excellence, T for transparency and accountability, U for unity and teamwork, S for sustainability. Motto: Sapientia et Virtuos, in posterum, wisdom and virtue for the college. College goals: the program prepares students to be IT professionals, both local and global contexts, who are expected to be well-versed in application installation, operation, development, maintenance, and administration, as well as engage lifelong learning endeavors which are capable of contributing in research extension and resource generation in the field of information systems. Program objectives: 1. The graduates will competent professionals with an integrated understanding of computer system, process, and the main body of knowledge being in the field of information technology. They will be IT professionals engaged in careers as solution specialists, organizational process analysis, system analysis, data analysis, and information technology developer, capable of engaging in professional growth, competent and technology-oriented, participating in lifelong learning activities relevant to the profession, which includes earning higher learning degrees or completing professional advancement trainings. 3. The graduates will be adaptive to the changing environment, be capable of exhibiting professionalism in working individually, a member or a leader of a team, communicate effectively, and ensure social ethical responsibilities in the community and their profession.